The eternity plant, ZZ plant, or known as the Zuzu plant, one of the Feng Shui plants. Today, I'll be sharing with you some of the information, tips and tricks of growing this beautiful in the plant, house plant, Feng Shui plant, Zuzu plant. So stay tuned to Tamara's garden. If you are a lazy gardener and you still love doing planting, you can grow this beautiful ZZ plant because you don't have to water them on regular basis. You can leave it for about 1 week, sometimes more than that, without water. These plants can go without water. They are sun-tolerant plants too, but not the direct bright sunlight. Keep it in a location where they get the partial to medium sunlight. This is a wonderful house plant. Keep it in a corner where they get the filtered sunlight, so they will grow really very healthily. When selecting planters, see that you select a medium to large planter because they grow really well in those pots, not in the small planters, because time to time then you will have to do repotting. See that you provide some ample space so that these plants will love to grow in the big or medium sized planters. Every 10 days time, wash it thoroughly. Wash the leaves, clean the leaves, and give it a thorough wash. This is very important. The dust accumulated in the leaves and in the plant will be removed and it will look fresh and beautiful. Plant propagation can be easily done with a mature leaf. Only thing is you have to select a mature leaf from the plant or else cutting and put them in water. This is very easy to propagate. Keep it near a windowsill so that you will see the growth of the plant within 2-3 weeks time. I am taking this stem. This is a mature stem which I can propagate in water or else in direct soil. Easy plant. Now you will have to propagate like this. A little bit of water in a glass jar and a healthy cutting. It should be a mature stem. So that is how you exactly do a propagation of this beautiful ZZ plant. Leaf propagation, I hope to do a separate video and show you how to do it. So that will come in another video. Location should be bright, indirect, medium or partial sunlight. This bright, indirect sunlight, morning sunlight will be perfect. So location should be a place where this plant gets enough sunlight. Even if you keep it in a dark corner, this plant will grow. But make sure to give it sunlight at least once a week. So if you have kept this plant as a house plant indoors, make sure move it outdoors at least once a week. So that is about the sunlight. And also friends, this plant soil mixture is very important. You can use the succulent potting mix. That is perfect. 1/3 of garden soil, 1/3 of then sand, and also add some perlite in it. That will be potting mix for the ZZ plant. And talking about the fertilizer, fertilizing once a month is enough. Use organic fertilizers or any fertilizer of your choice. But do it once a month is enough. Don't overdo it because then the leaves will start to turn yellow. Do not overwater. Do not keep this in a bright sunlight area. Do not go to fertilize it over and over. Those are the things that you will have to keep in mind. These are my personal experiences when growing this beautiful ZZ plant. If you have any questions, put them in the comment bar. And also friends, if you are new, consider subscribing to my channel.